Hi Pat, my name is Alexis from Taylor & Sons Chevrolet, and I get to show you this 2019 Premier Equinox today, give you a little tour, a bit of a walk around. Equinox is, aside from Silverados, trucks are best seller, and for good reason. They are a great size, big enough to feel safe on these highways out here, but still maneuverable enough to be able to handle things like the Walmart parking lot. Equinoxes have a 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration. They're really safe vehicles. I'm a big fan of them. Just going to give you a brief walk around of this guy, show you overall condition. It's really like new on the outside. Tires are in good condition, no scuffs or anything. Good amount of tread left on these guys. Overall, very clean. Now I'll show you inside. So these little buttons, it's called passive entry. That just lets you get in and out of the vehicle, lock it, unlock it without having to use your key fob. As long as your keys are nearby, you can press that button. This is the interior of this Equinox. This is a two-tone. We also have our Premier that's just black on black, so it's totally your preference. But very clean interior. See a lot of room up here for you and your passenger. I'm gonna hop in, give you a brief little tour. Here you'll have your infotainment system. That's where you see your radio and everything. Your shifters down here. You will get heated seats in this guy, which is really nice. For all clean dash. The steering wheel you can move up and down. Got your cruise control there. Everything's very bright and readable. No tears, stains, or anything on the headliner like that. Like I said, very, very good condition. Head back outside here. A lot of room if you have any kind of passengers, animals, anything like that. It's very spacious. Got some rear vents back here. And these seats will fold down pretty easily. I'm just grabbing and they'll fold down flat. And so you get a lot of cargo space. This seat will fold down as well. Now I'm going to open up the back here. I'm just pressing a button. It'll open very easy. You'll see a lot of cargo space there. And then to close this guy, just the press of a button. There's a button to do that as well next to the driver's seat, so if you're doing grocery pickup, anything like that at Walmart, you can back in, press that button, opens your lift gate for you. You never have to get out of the car. And up over here, very clean, no stains or anything. We'll fold this guy down. Again, just very easy. And to push back up, you just grab it. Overall, Equinoxes will give you a very smooth ride. Not a whole lot of road noise or anything like that. And there you have it, Pat. Let us know if you'd like to come see it, drive it in person. We will have it thoroughly Lysoled and up front for you.